This slide shows you the activities which have to be taken to install the RESU Monitor. You have to distinguish activities which are necessary for the preparation, and then we have to make a user agreement, and finally we have the activities for the installation. We have distinguished two different columns. One is for Android users and one is dedicated for the web platform. What are the functions of the RESU Monitor? The remote monitoring device is a remote device that can install and monitor a battery pack through an app or on the web. With the RMD, the following items can be updated: the BMS firmware, the DC-DC converter firmware, and the RMD firmware itself. LG Energy Solution recommends you to enroll RESU Monitor in advance to proceed faster installation for RMD during pack installation process. For the installation of the RMD, you have to visit first the website resumonitor.lginstall.com. Then you have to log into your RESU Monitor service by using your LG ESS battery website ID and the corresponding password. If you don't have an account yet, please visit the LG ESS battery website first and make a new account. Down below you can see the websites for the different regions where we are active in sales. This page deals with the subject obtaining IOT Hubstring. When connecting to a server, a connection string is absolutely necessary. If the connection string is incorrect, the server is not connected. The connection string has a unique value, one string per one pack. It can be created before installation, so please follow as below. At first, please select in the menu Commissioning and then Create Commissioning Info. This is on the left sidebar to access the commissioning information creation screen. At second, please select a continent in which you are located. Then click on the plus button to the right to select a country and double-click it. Furthermore, please the plus button to the right to choose a city and enter it inside of the field. Then please select the appropriate RESU module which you are installing. Finally, click the Execute button to complete the product registration. The device connecting string information will be sent to the account email address. Now we are coming to the installation via RMD on Android systems. When you're clicking on the link of the RESU Monitor website, as given some slides before, then you can download the APK file of the RESU Monitor installing app. It can happen that the RESU Monitor app may not work depending on the device. Therefore, please make sure that the available version of the software you have downloaded has a version 9.0 or higher. To proceed with the product installation, turn on the product and open the front cover and turn on the circuit breaker switch. Now we want to show you the RESU Monitor app and how you can use it for the installation. At first, please log in the Residual Monitor app with your personal ID and the given password. In order to install RMD, you must first use RMD's Wi-Fi direct connection. Search and access the SSID of the RMD AP from a device capable of supporting WLAN station functions. The RMD SSID has a structure of RESU or RMD plus RMD WLAN SDM MAC address. For soft AP, it is RESU 44 CBXXX C14F or RMD 44 CBXXX C14F with a password 12345 When the Wi-Fi connection is complete, click to the Next button. The next step is to scan the QR code of the RESU Prime product. You have to keep in mind that there are 3 QR codes present in every product of every RESU Prime battery. You will find the different QR codes as given in the pictures on the left and on the right side. On the left it shows for the battery control unit where you find the QR code which you have to scan, and then on the right side you see for the 2 modules the positions of the QR codes which you also have to scan. For the next step, please proceed with the external internet connection. As the Ethernet connection is primary, please connect the Ethernet cable to a router with internet access. For Ethernet use, it is enough to connect the cables as you already connected the cable earlier. In case the end user doesn't wish to use an external internet connection, simply press the next button for Wi-Fi connection. In case the end user wants Wi-Fi connection rather than external internet connection, please scan AP SSID and enter the password of the Wi-Fi network to connect. In case that the WLAN connection is unstable, enhance the signal by using a WLAN repeater. Then please proceed the RMD configuration setup with given in the information about the time zone. When RMD configuration is complete, click the next button please. Now we are coming to the final steps of the RESU Monitor installation. Please proceed the server connection and diagnosis check. You see it on the left side. Please enter the Unix string which you have received. Then please proceed with the disconnection of the Wi-Fi. Then connect the RESU Monitor to check the product registration. After the product installation via RMD is complete, please check if the product has been registered on the server by selecting RESU Monitor. The next point in the RESU Monitor application is a user agreement. For this purpose, please enter resumonitor.lginstall.com and sign in. Then click on the menu point Installation, and the next click on the user agreement and search the product which you will install. Please get the agreement of privacy policy for the customer. If the customer agrees the privacy policy, have customer's personal information and put them inside of the website. The next menu point for RESU Monitor is a battery installation. Please click Installation and then Battery Installation and select the device in the Prepared Device list. Please search and access the SSID of the RMD AP from a device. Then please enter the password and click Register to go to the home screen. The default password is set to 123456. Then please push the Config tab and set up the configuration. For the next step, please select the Network button in the menu. Then please go to the Wi-Fi button and press it. Then you can set up the home network, the Wi-Fi network, and connect it.